I got this summer sunflower decal and they come with 72 different sizes, different shapes, and you can put it on anything. So I have this water bottle that I'm going to put it on, and it's easy for you to take out and peel off, and installing it is really easy to do. So I love that this is high quality, and even after putting it on, it feels really nice and smooth. And I also love that it has that vinyl material so that when I pour water on it, it is waterproof, and you can just see how it looks where the water is pouring on it, and it doesn't come off. This doesn't fade, and you can also put it on laptop. I love that I can also put it at the back of my phone to make my phone look more beautiful. You can do so many things with this. You can put it on the wall and use it as you want. So I put it on my wall and I change the look of my wall to look really beautiful. So this can be used anywhere in any space. And even when it's time to remove, it comes off easily. It's not going to peel off your wall, and it does a great job. I absolutely love this.